Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick tutorial video on a way to try to enhance the look of your Mercury Cyclone taillight lens or Torino lens. I found a product that I recently purchased and I tried it on one of the lenses and it came out really good, so I figured I'd do a quick video just to show the other lens. So bear with me. I'll go through a couple quick steps and I'll turn the camera around so you don't have to look at my face the whole time because nobody likes to see that. But let me pause this and flip the camera around and I'll show you guys what I found. So of course here we have a 68 or 69 Mercury Cyclone taillight lens. This is the one off my car. It has only been cleaned with mild dish soap just to get some of the original grime off of it that was on it. Didn't try to do anything else with it yet, but I did find this product, so I wanted to show you that. My lens is actually in really decent shape. You do have the typical line, you know, from the trim that you can see on the lens, you know, where the bar goes across. It came off on the other lens, so I'll show that other lens here in a second. But let me just show you what I found. And I'm not endorsing this product by any means, but I tried it. And it works really well. This is the Griot plastic all-in-one cleaner. It says clarify, restore, and protect glossy plastic surfaces. Remove fine scratches and swirl marks. And plastic all-in-one polish. Protect hard and soft plastics. So basically this cleans and then this puts protectants back on the lens itself. So there is, of course, directions shake well. Everybody can read their own directions when they buy this product. It has two applications, one in, one orbital. I did not want to try the orbital just because we know how hard it is to find these lenses. And if you destroy one trying to practice with a product, yeah, where are you going to get another one? There's only a few guys that got them stockpiled and they're not going to let them go. And so I decided to go with the hand application. And of course, with any product that you guys use or I've used, we always try to find a little spot, you know, somewhere, like they say, to try a smaller area to make sure the product works. So I did try one of the edges where it is covered by the trim. And so if you just read it, you just, you know, of course you get your applicator pad, put some on applicator pad, and you just make a pass on it, and it tells you to wipe it off with a soft terry cloth, which of course I have one of the microfibers, which seem to work really good. It says do 4 to 5 passes over the working surface. So I think I want to say 5 on my other lens over there, but let me just show you quick on this lens. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but it is pretty dull. Well, there you go. You can kind of see the dullness. But let me go ahead. Well, you can definitely see some of the hazing right there, all through here. I mean, it's when you look at it with it off the car. Well, here, let's go ahead and compare it because maybe that'll even help before I even show it. So this one's been done. This one hasn't. So hopefully the camera's picking it up. Well, I think it is, but you can definitely just to see the brightness in this one. Like I said, that's 5 passes, and this one I haven't done yet, but I'm guessing that you guys should be able to see that on camera. So let me do a couple passes on this one, and let's see how it comes out real quick. Like I said, it's simple. You just put some on the applicator pad. Nothing fancy. It says apply a little bit of pressure, which of course you do want to put some pressure on it, especially where the trim has been sitting on it. Need some background music. but you can just feel the grit that is on there on the lens. I mean, I doubt that anybody's ever cleaned these things besides, you know, just hand washing. You can see a little bit of the residue coming off the lens. Yeah, that's already popping pretty good. You can just see that starting to come around. I mean, it's just one pass on there. I'll do one more. I mean, because I don't think anybody wants to watch this 5 times unless you're extremely bored. But there's even some water spots on there. Those come off as well. Like I said, I don't think you need the orbital. I mean, I would never put something on this thing just for the fear you scratch it. I mean, I know they got those kits for the headlights, but, you know, half the time you're doing a car from the 90s and the 2000s with those headlights. You could still go buy one if you wanted to. You do it to this thing and scratch it, there's no coming back. Yeah, it's coming around. It looks way better. Like I said, this is only 2. Like I said, the other lens had 5. I'll do a quick comparison. I mean, you can already see how it's coming around. Like I said, that was 5 applications. This one's only 2, but I'll do the other 3 here in a second after I turn this off. But I just wanted to show you that. Like I said, I found some other stuff, but, you know, figured I'd try this one. And plus it's got all the stuff to protect it after you get done with the last application, and, you know, prevents fading and oxidation, which of course these had severely bad. I think I picked this up on Amazon. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was less than 20 bucks, but I know they do have a website where you can get on there and find the products, but I picked it up on Amazon. So I'll keep doing some other little tech twos. I keep forgetting to. I got that car so tore apart in the garage, but I figured this one was a quick one because I had the lenses off. Another thing I found, I did find gaskets for these out of Detroit. I think called Detroit Muscle. The little thin gray ones on the back sides of these, not the thick 1/2-inch rubber ones. Those are not reproduced. Nobody has those, but I did find the other gasket that goes between this, that goes on the base of the lens cover itself, or backing, I should say. But anyways, figured I'd show you guys that, and check out other videos, and like, subscribe, do all that, yada yada. And like I said, I'll try to find some other stuff on this once I get it. I got the car tore apart, and if there's any other little tips I can find, I'll definitely post them. So thanks for your time. Appreciate it.